Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use eToro. eToro has become a popular platform for both novice and experienced investors. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. Step 1. You have to create an account. You can either visit the eToro website or download the mobile application. Sign up with your email address or social media account and complete the verification process. This typically takes about 24 hours. Step 2. Fund your account. You'll need a minimum deposit of $100 in the UK and US. eToro offers various funding methods such as credit card and bank transfer, so you can easily add funds. Step number 3. Explore the platform. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the user interface. Use the demo account to practice trading without risking real money, which is perfect for beginners. Step 4. Start trading. Choose from a wide range of assets, including stocks, cryptocurrencies, ETFs, and more. Use the search function to quickly find the specific assets you're interested in. Step number 5. Try copy trading. If you're looking to mirror the success of seasoned investors, consider copy trading. With a minimum investment of $200 per trader, browse popular investors' profiles and click copy to replace their trades automatically. Step number 6. Manage your portfolio. You can monitor your investments in the portfolio section, and you can also set stop loss and take profit levels to help manage risks. Step number 7. Learn and improve. Leverage eToro's educational resources and engage with the community to exchange ideas. Remember, while copy trading can be appealing, always do your own research and understand the risks involved in any investment strategy. That's all for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.